Hello everyone, welcome to NEET Buddy. The topic for today's biology MCQ is biological classification. So without wasting much time, let's get started. The procedure of naming a particular organism is known as option A, identification, option B, nomenclature, option C, classification, or option D, taxonomy. The procedure of naming a particular organism is known as. The correct answer is option B, nomenclature. Question number 1. Five kingdom classification was proposed by option A, Linnaeus, option B, R. H. Whittaker, option C, Aristotle, or option D, Darwin. Five kingdom classification was proposed by which of the following scientists? The correct answer is option B, R. H. Whittaker. Question 2. Which of the following is or are criteria for five kingdom classification? Which of the following is or are criteria for five kingdom classification? Option 1, cell structure. Option B, mode of nutrition. Option C, phylogenetic relationships. Which of the following are criteria for five kingdom classification? The correct answer is option D, all the above. Question 3. First eukaryotic organism is included in which of the following kingdoms? Option A, Monera. Option B, Protista. Option C, fungus. Or option D, Animalia. First eukaryotic organism is included in which of the following four kingdoms? The correct answer is option B, Protista. Question 4. Which level of body organization is seen in fungus? Which level of body organization is seen in fungus? Option A, cellular. Option B, multicellular. Option C, organ level. Or option D, organ system level. Which level of body organization is seen in fungus? The correct answer is option B, multicellular. Question 5. Organisms of kingdom Animalia are option A, Holozoic. Option B, saprophytic. Option C, autotrophic. Or option D, either A or B. Organisms of kingdom Animalia are. Correct answer is option D, either A or B. That is, the kingdom Animalia contains organisms which are either Holozoic or they are saprophytic. Question 6. Who had made the earliest attempt to use scientific basis for classification? There are four options given which are all scientists. Which of these scientists made the first attempt to use scientific basis for classification? Option A, Linnaeus. Option B, Aristotle. Option C, R. H. Whittaker. Or option D, Darwin. Who had made the earliest attempt to use scientific basis for classification? The correct answer is option B, Aristotle. Question 7. Which kingdom has the most extensive metabolic diversity? There are four kingdoms given in the option. Which of these has the most extensive metabolic diversity? Extensive metabolic diversity means a large variety of metabolism can be seen in the organisms of this kingdom. Option A, Monera. Option B, Protista. Option C, Plantae. Or option D, Animalia. Which kingdom has the most extensive metabolic diversity? The correct answer is option A, Monera. all the organisms in the Monera show the most extensive metabolic diversity. Means different organisms would be having different type of metabolism and which would be different from rest. So a lot of diversity is seen in metabolism among the organisms of Monera. Question 7. Archaebacteria doesn't include which of the following? Four options are given. One of these doesn't come under Archaebacteria. You have to tell which one of these is. Option A, halophilic bacteria. Option B, thermoacidophils. Option C, methanogens. Or option D, cyanobacteria. Out of these, one doesn't come under Archaebacteria. The correct answer is option D, cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria, also known as blue-green algae, comes under eubacteria and not Archaebacteria. Question 9. Blue-green algae belongs to which of the following kingdom? Option A, Plantae. Option B, fungus. Option C, Protista. Option D, Monera. Blue-green algae belongs to which of the following kingdoms? The correct answer is option D, Monera. As I already said in the previous question, blue-green algae, also known as cyanobacteria, comes under kingdom Monera, right? So even though it has algae in its name, it's a misnomer. It doesn't belong to the algae group of kingdom Plantae. It is a Monera. It comes under Monera. Blue-green algae, cyanobacteria, right? So the correct answer is option D. Blue-green algae belongs to kingdom Monera. Don't confuse it with other algae which belong to kingdom Plantae. Question number 10. What is the function of heterocysts found in nostoc and anabaena? Heterocysts are cells which are found in nostoc and anabaena. You have to tell the function of heterocyst. Option A, fix atmospheric nitrogen. Option B, fix atmospheric carbon dioxide. Option C, fix atmospheric oxygen. Or option D, phosphorus cycling. What is the function of heterocyst? The correct answer is option A. It is used for fixing atmospheric nitrogen. So those are the 10 MCQs from biological classification. The next topic for daily biology MCQ is the next chapter of class 11th NCERT biology, that is plant kingdom. So we'll see you guys tomorrow at this very place, this very time. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find this video helpful. And if you're new out there, do go and subscribe this channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.